Hi everyone, I will show you how to mute notifications in Twitter app. First of all, open your Twitter app, then tap to your profile picture, then scroll down and tap to your setting. Now you need to tap to notifications option and tap to preferences, then tap to push notifications. Now you need to turn off the push notifications on the top right. Now the notifications of your Twitter app is turned off. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.